Hey guys, this is Sarthak Masta from Cube Lelo, and today we've got a 5x5 in our hands. This is the Aochuang V6 5x5 from Moyu. I'm really excited about this because I love 5x5s. So without further ado, let's get started. We'll do a quick unboxing, a quick first impressions. We'll do a solve as well on this cube and a quick review as well. So this is the puzzle we've got on our hands. This is the Moyu Aochuang V6 5x5, which is the single track magnetic version. We have some visualizations on the box right here. It's a simple sturdy box. We've got some things written in Chinese. I believe these are the specifications of the cube. And another visualization here. We've got some WCA records written here, but it's all in Chinese, so a bit hard to understand. So let's just open the box. So we've got some QR codes written over here. The download app, we've got an app, the Moyu app. We have got the QR for the official WeChat app and the official Moyu website. So we've got the cube inside with an accessories box. So let's just open the accessories box first and see what's inside. Yeah, in the accessories box you've got a pamphlet and two cards and one mini screwdriver. So the mini screwdriver is very helpful, and we've got a 5x5 solving guide over here. I think that's about it in the accessories box. Let's just try out the cube now. Yeah, I'm really excited about trying out this cube because I remember it from the old Aochuang era, I think from 2015, the original Aochuang with the black base. I tried it out once or twice in a competition and I loved it. I think this is much more advanced. We didn't have magnets back then, so this has magnets, and let's just do some first turns on this. On the outer layer, the outer layer is pretty fast. I wouldn't say uncontrollably fast, but pretty fast. And if we do two layers at once, it gets a bit slow, but it's still pretty fast for two layers. Let's just check out the corner cutting of this puzzle as well. Overall, it does flow very well, but the corner cutting is also very important. We'll go for the first indent over here. Cuts very easily. And for the second indent, it kind of struggles a bit. Let's do 1.5 indent over here. This is about 20-25 degrees, I guess. Yeah, it cuts easily at 1.5 indents. And for the reverse corner cutting, I don't believe it will be much. It's a big cube. Yeah, it doesn't cut here. It cuts just around 3 to 4 degrees, not much, but it's okay for a 5x5. You don't expect reverse corner cutting from a 5x5, right? The magnets are pretty strong on this, but not that strong. I'd say they just make the cube more stable, which is the whole point of the magnets, and they don't, require extra effort during turning. So let's just scramble this cube a little bit. We'll get some first turns done and we'll do a solve as well after that. The Aochuang V6 is honestly one of the best 5x5s I've tried. It feels fast, stable and really smooth out of the box. The turning is effortless and the magnets are placed just right, so every layer stays aligned without that annoying flex you get in some other 5x5s. Also, corner cutting is really solid, which makes a huge difference during fast solves. Even when you're turning aggressively, it doesn't lock up or feel clunky at all. What's nice is Moyu gives you options. The single track version is cheap and is already really good, but if you go for double or even triple track if you have the budget, the layers glide even more and the stability just gets better. And the UV coating on those versions adds grip and keeps the cube looking clean after long sessions. Overall, if you're pushing for PBs, the Aochuang V6 is one of the best cubes you can get it on because it is reliable, fast and definitely feels like a top tier 5x5. So that's it for this video and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to get updated for future videos. Thanks for watching and happy cubing.